How to download TikTok videos without watermark. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. As you can see, I just downloaded this video from TikTok and this video has a watermark. So today I'll show you how to download TikTok video without watermark. So let's get started without wasting any time. So this is the video. First of all, I'll click on this share button. From here I'll copy the link and here I'll search for download TikTok video without watermark. Now click on this first link. Here I'll just insert the link. Then I'll click on download. Now I'll click on without watermark. So as you can see, my file is downloading. Let's wait until it's downloaded. So as you can see, my video has downloaded and it has no watermark. This is how you can download any video from TikTok without watermark. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.